Hi students and families, Teacher Allison here, and today we're going to be making Play-Doh, which is super easy and fun to make at home. So all you're going to need are some basic ingredients that you probably already have in your cupboard. So first, you're going to need 1 cup of salt. Alright, and then if you are new to my page, you might not have seen the activity we did last week using half a cup of flour for a sensory bin, but I'm just going to go ahead and use that up right now. If you didn't watch that video already, go ahead and watch it. I'll link it below. But you're just going to add that half cup of flour from last week. And then I'm going to go ahead and add another 1.5 cups of flour. So I have my bag of flour down here on the floor. So we're going to measure that out. 1 and 1/2 cups. Okay. And then you're going to need 1 cup of water, which I already measured out for this video. In here, 1 cup of water. Okay. And then you're going to need 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar. You might already have this in your cupboard if you bake snickerdoodle cookies regularly. I'm not sure for this recipe if you can substitute it with baking soda, so next time you're at Walmart, pick some up. 2 tablespoons of that. And then you're going to need 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. One, 2. All right. So the great part about baking together or making something like this with your child is that you can practice all your counting skills mixed with life skills, which is where it's all about. All right. And then we're going to carefully close our mixer. If you don't have a mixer, obviously, you could totally just do this in a bowl with a big spoon, the old-fashioned way. And we're done. Now, you have some Play-Doh, and that's it. What you're going to do is take about half of it out and put it on the side, and then for the stuff that's in there, you're going to pick, well, I'm only going to do 2 colors, so I'm just going to take out half at a time. But if you want to do more than 2 colors, you can take out however much you want for that color. So right now I have about half of that in there, and I'm just going to add some food coloring, lots of food coloring, and this one is going to be blue. Right. Alright. Might need to mix it in by hand a little bit more, because my mixer didn't work that well. Ah, it's so awesome. Look at this cool Play-Doh I made. Ta-da! Have lots of fun with that, guys.